Let's calculate the division of complex numbers we see on the screen. We can see that we have a complex number that at the same time has a real part. This number is 1 divided by 1 minus 2 times I. The way of calculating this division we have is we have to write the number again, that is 1 divided by 1 minus 2 times I, and now we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. It is the same process as rationalizing. That's when we have roots on the denominator, so we have to multiply, as I said before, the numerator and the denominator by the denominator we were given, but with the sign changed. That would be 1 plus 2 times I on the numerator and on the denominator 2. So let's multiply both of the fractions. 1 times 1 plus 2i is 1 plus 2i. And on the denominators we have an addition, 1 plus 2 times I, times a difference, a subtraction, that is 1 minus 2i. And by the formula of the square of a difference, we would have 1 squared minus 2 times I squared. This is equal to, the numerator stays the same, and the denominator would be 1 squared is 1 minus 2 times I squared is 2 squared times I squared. Let me remind you that I is the square root of minus 1, so I squared would be the square of the square root of minus 1, so this would be equal to minus 1. The numerator would stay the same, of course, 1 plus 2i, and the denominator would be 1 minus 2 squared is 4 times I squared, that is minus 1. So this would be equal to, the numerator again stays the same, divided by 1 plus 4. And this is the same as 1 plus 2i divided by 5. And now let's write the real part and the complex part of the result in different ways with no denominator. So we would have 1/5 plus 2/5 times I. And this would be the result of calculating the given division.